Hi, Desi. Hello, my love. I'll get you out in a minute. I know. I'll get you in a minute. This is a bird room update. Everything's always changing. Here we are. Hello, everybody. There's Aini. There's Sparkle. No other birdie is out yet. All right, from left to right. Oh, look, I'm in my pink bathrobe. Okay. There's Tweety Bird. Hi, Tweety. Hey, Tweety Bird. There's Smokey Joe. Here's Aini. There's Aini's house. There's little Miss Sparkle. And there's the parrotlets. Everybody's mad because they're not out yet. There's Peepers and his friend Jessie. Hi, Peepy. I know. Daddy. Excuse me. There's Daddy. I know. He hates the camera. There's Jadland. That's Jadland right there. Okay, Daddy. And there are the Budgie Boys. Hi, Bebop. Hi, JT. A few more minutes, babies. And there's the cleaning station. So that's it all the way around. And of course, my junk. And the emergency stash of cages for evacuation. You taking a nap, Sparkle? Auntie Honey loves you. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye, Aini.